Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will talk about how to make a dot crosshair in Valorant. In order to make a dot crosshair, first we have to press escape, then go to the crosshairs tab. Now click on the crosshair profile section. Now create a new profile. In this profile, we'll be making our dot crosshair. So now go to the primary section. First, turn the outlines off. Turn the center dot on. Show inner lines should be off. Firing error should also be off. Outer lines should be off as well, alongside movement error and firing error. After turning these settings off, go to the center dot section. Make sure the center dot opacity is on 1 and the center dot thickness is whatever the user prefers. I'll put it at 4, and now I'll practice using this crosshair. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.